Why does your scanner show the P2015 engine code? What does it mean? P2015 is a diagnostic trouble code for intake manifold runner position sensor or switch circuit range or performance bank 1. This engine code indicates that this code is triggered when the Powertrain Control Module (PCM) detects that the position sensor signal for the intake manifold runner control flap is out of its expected range. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Malfunctioning IMRC actuator. Stuck or misaligned intake flaps. Carbon buildup. Faulty IMRC sensor. Electrical issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Volkswagen and Audi brand vehicles. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.